voice Norman code, a whisper cut from stories old, eyes that burn like ashen coals. You prowl inside my fractured soul. You're my abyss, my endless fight, a ghost that thrives in sleepless nights. Beneath you stare, I turn to stone, a kingdom dark on a shattered throne. You wear my fears like royal threads, through every crack your venom spreads, a storm that rages under skin. Your voice a hymn that draws me in. Beneath your stare I turn to stone, a kingdom dark on a shattered throne, on a shattered throne. You wear my fears like royal threads, through every crack your venom spreads, the storm that rages under skin. Your voice a hymn that draws me in. You wear my fears, my